Welcome back to another Palm Circle Pete adventure. We are on the beach fishing for some crabs, crabbing with some fishing poles. This is the off season, so there's not a lot of crabs here, but this guy right here did just catch an undersized crab. So there's technically crabs in the ocean. Reel it in until you feel a little pressure. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just a little pressure. You might scare the crab if you do it too fast. So you feel the pressure?
Yeah.
Okay, go low. Reel in one click. Okay, then on the count of 3, lift up and reel as fast as possible. 1, 2, 3. That's good, that's good. You might have one. It looks like you might have one. Nice.
Stop making me delusional.
Nice. You might have one. It's a big bet. No crabby. No crabby. Oh. I got one.
It's recording.
Fire! Fire, look, we got one. Woo! It might be a keeper, guys. I think it's a keeper.
Wait, it's going away.
No. Fire, fire, back up, back up.
I'm more scared than the crab.
Okay, so as you can see, this guy is just a tad bit under. So we're gonna have to release him. Meyer, don't hurt the crabby.
Why?
Because this crabby's nice. We're either gonna eat him or we're gonna be nice to him and send him back. And this guy is just a tad bit small. So we're gonna send him back, okay?
Okay.
Say hi, crabby. Grab the line. Grab the line and pull fast. Line, stay retreat. Go, 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 go. We got him.
Yoo-hoo! Hey!
Whoa, it's gonna be a close to keeper. Had to do it with our hands because the reel's broken.
Yikes.
Oh, I think
But you
he's gonna
made
be
it.
just under. We'll see, but I think he's a little bit under.
Is it like a rule or just like personal?
No, I'll
preference?
show you. To be legal, if you keep them and they're not legal, you'll get a huge fine.
Oh, okay. So
They
it's
have
not
to-
something personal, but it's like a law?
Yeah, it has to fill up the gap between there to there. You can see he's about a centimeter short.
Oh.
Yep. So we'll release him. Here you go.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. It's me and Naida here. We're taking over Palm Circle Pete. If you have any questions, shoot us a comment below.
Well, I just reeled in another one, a little red crab. Now this is small, but you can keep these any size, but we're not going to because there's not a lot of meat on there. Sure, you can touch him. Don't touch him up there, he might pinch you. If you hold him down here on his legs, he won't pinch you. You want to try and pick him up? He's acting dead, but he's not. He's all curled up. You want to try and grab him, Maya? Grab him down there. There you go. Throw him back in the ocean. Throw him, because we're going to release him. Throw him back. Walk out there and throw him in. Oh, there he goes. Pick him up, Meyer. Throw him back in. Throw him before he pinches you. Go. Here, let me help you out. Oh, that looks heavy.
You always say that. That's...
You don't think so, huh?
I just don't have the muscle.
It's not about muscle. Here it comes. Here it comes. Nothing. Oh well. Go! All right, your turn, Naida.
All right.
We're on a beach walk. Hopefully we have some crabbies when we get back. Whoa, up the mountain. Up the mountain. Whoa, look at you climb. Wow, dude. Okay, look at this big tall one. Should we do it?
I think so.
Okay.
Ready, let's go.
Whoa, you didn't even catch your breath. All right, we're gonna see if we have a crab on any 4 of these poles. If not, cast them back out, but we probably won't stay here too much longer. So let's see, let's hope we have a keeper on some of these poles. I think we got one. Well, this one had one on, but then halfway it released, so I lost it somehow.
So my finger got cut, and I don't think I need to go to the ER, but I'll be all right.
It's the risk with crabbing. This, you got your drag completely set tight.
Only lost 1 cage. She lost 1 cage.
Well, we lost 2 cages total.
Yeah, 1, 2.
Second to last pull. We got to get going soon. It's almost nap time. So we're gonna do 1 more pull and 1 more soak. Last pull. I don't think so. Nothing on this first one. Well, we didn't catch any more, but we had a great time. Caught 3. It was more than I thought we would catch, so a couple of them were just barely undersized. So season should be heating up here pretty soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.